Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Mythlook with your host Nitin Nair. Last episode we talked about the Greek hero Achilles, and now it's our time to jump all the way around the world into Southeast Asian mythology, where we look into the really crazy world of Malaysian mythology that is filled with amazing characters and even a lot of characters that's actually associated with black magic and the dark arts. The Polong is one such character. The Polong is one such character that has really caught my eye, and I thought I would just bring her to you today. The Polong is a Malaysian spirit creature that's been preserved by a human for the purpose of killing an enemy. According to Malay beliefs, the ghost produces its pods by pouring the blood of the dead person into a long bottle. The bottle will then be adored and a specific spell will be read to it in certain periods of time. After 7 days to 2 weeks, the Polong will sound a scream from inside the bottle, indicating that it is alive. The devotee then cuts a finger and places it into the bottle to nourish the Polong. Once the creature has been fed, it will follow its master's orders and kill its enemies. The pods are usually kept in the bottle and will only be removed once the creature has destroyed its enemy. The Polong is more of a homunculus in Malaysian folklore rather than a vampire. The Polong is often described as being female with the general physical characteristics of a woman and is known to be just about an inch tall. The owner or the person who creates the Polong is considered to be its parent, and the Polong obeys their command like a child would. Polongs can attack humans by possessing their bodies, which will remain delirious until they are exorcised. A person who gets sick after being attacked by a Polong will often have unexplained bruises on his or her body. The Polong is usually sent to attack a person who has an ill will against the owner or the owner's client, in the case where the owner is a shaman or a witch. Usually it follows its pet or plaything, which is a small grasshopper-like creature known as a pelicit. The pelicit will enter the human through its mouth and starts chirping, giving the signal to the Polong to enter. If the creature is overwhelmed by the power of other people, it can be captured and forced to reveal its witch's identity. Charms can also be made to neutralize and destroy a captured Polong. Polongs are gaining in popularity in modern pop culture, with the latest being an appearance in Marvel's Blade comic series, where it appears as a blood-sucking vampire. In parts of rural Malaysia, shamans and witches still claim to have control of or be in possession of Polongs for various activities and cultural practices that is centered around black magic and the dark arts. As you can see, we've discussed different spirits from Malaysia, Indonesia and the Philippines before, and this is just one among the many who are known to be creations of people who are invested in black magic. Although these characters tend to be negative in nature, they also have the effect of being very supportive of the parent or the owner of these spirits, who in turn make it their duty to ensure that these spirits are always kept happy and so do not turn on the owner itself. We will be discussing a lot more of these amazing little spirits in the days to come. So this is your host Nitin Nair signing off by reminding you once again that Mythlook is the home of mythology.